Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw Shadow versus Sonic from the new Sonic 3 movie. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Shadow versus Sonic, let's begin with Shadow right here. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to begin by making a line that's just going to curve down like this. It's going to start like the top of the eyebrow. And then we're going to start here. We're going to make a line that's going to go down, and then we're going to bring this up for the other part of the eyebrow. Next, right here, I'm going to make a little oval, and I'm just going to color in the majority of this, leaving just a tiny bit white for the nose. Next, I'm going to bring this line down with a curve to kind of start a little bit of the detail on the face. And then I'm going to bring this line around here, and then I'm going to curve it to here. You can see I just kind of looped it around. Next, I'm going to bring this line down for the eye, and then I'm going to bring this line down for the other eye. Now for the mouth, we're just going to curve this line like this, and then we'll connect it here. Then we'll draw a little line in here just to kind of show where the teeth are. Now, for the pupils, let's just draw a little oval shape here, and then one right here. And I'm going to color in just a little bit, leaving just a tiny bit white. And then when I come in with my markers, I'm going to add a little bit more color in here. Next, I'm going to curve this line around for the eyebrow. And then we want to curve a line that's going to come up and down for the other eyebrow on Shadow. Now, let's make his hair. To start off with the hair, let's begin right here by the eyebrow, and we're going to bring this line up to a point, and then we're going to bring this down. Then we're going to draw a line that's going to go out and up to a point, and then down. Then we'll make one more that's going to come out here and then down. Now for the ear, let's draw a little triangle shape like this. And then let's put a small triangle shape right inside of here. Then over here, right by the eyebrow, we're just going to make a line that's going to come out like a triangle shape. Then for a little bit of detail on Shadow, let's just draw a line that's going to come down and then up to here. Then we're going to make a line that's going to come down and up. And then one more here, down and then up. Now, let's make his chest right here. So I'm going to begin by making a line that's just going to kind of come down and up, and then we're just going to bring this down here for the body. Then we're going to make his leg. Let's begin by drawing a line that's going to come out, and then we're going to curve it back. We'll make a little line here. Then we're going to bring this up. Then we're going to bring this line back, and then kind of curve it around here. For his shoes, let's just bring this line up, and then this line down. Kind of like a little oval shape around there. Then we're going to draw a line that's going to come down and then back up. We'll put a little curve here. A little line down. And then a little line that goes over and down. Next, we're going to make a line that's going to come down like this. And then it's going to come back here. We'll make a little bump, and then we're just going to kind of curve this up. We're going to make this line come down, and then this line kind of come down and then connect to here. Then we'll bring this line down to here. We'll put a line here and then a line right there. Now I'm going to just add a little bit of a curved line to kind of outline his face. And then let's work on this arm. We're going to make a little line for his shoulder, and we're going to bring his arm out to here and then down. Then we're going to bring this back. Then let's just go ahead and connect that to the body. We'll make a curve here. And then we're just going to connect it here and here. We'll make this line come over, down, and back. And then we're just going to go over and down. We'll make a little curve shape around here. And then we're going to work on the hand. Now, to make the hand, let's begin by just drawing a line that's just going to curve around. We'll make a little bump here, and then a little bump here that comes back for his knuckles. Then we're going to draw a line that's just going to curve around here for the thumb. Then right here, let's bring a line that's going to come out and back for the tail. Now I want to make this other leg kind of extending out here. Now to do this, let's just bring this line down. We'll go over and then bring it up here. We'll curve this line and then bring a line here and here. Bring this line down, over and up. Then we'll go over and down, over and down. Next, we're going to bring this line down. We're going to kind of curve it around and bring it up here. Make a little bump, and then we're just going to bring this back up here. We're going to go over, and down. And we'll go over and down here. We'll bring this line down. We'll make a line here, and then one here. Next, let's work on the chest. Let's begin by making a line that's going to come down, and up, and then down here. Now we're going to make this other arm. We want it to look like he's punching. Then we'll put Sonic over here. So I'm right here by the eye. Let's just make a line that's going to curve around. We're going to come down and back here. We'll make a line that's going to come up, over, and down. Then we'll make a little curve shape here, and then connect it with a curve. Make a line here, then a line that goes over and down. I'm going to curve this around for one of his knuckles. One here, and then one more here. We're going to bring this line down and up with a little line here. Then right here, I'm going to bring this line down, and we're going to make another spike that comes out here. So now that we've got Shadow, let's go ahead and draw Sonic right over here. So let's begin here, and we're going to just kind of make his eyes. So let's begin by drawing a line that's just going to go down, and we're going to curve this up and down for the eyebrow. They'll make another line that's just going to kind of go down, up, and then over to here. Next, right here, we're just going to make a little oval shape. We'll just color in most of that for the nose. Leave just a tiny bit white. We're going to bring this line down. Then we're going to curve this around and bring it up here. Now for the mouth, let's draw a line that's going to come down, up and down. I'm going to bring this down and up. And we're going to curve this line here. Let's bring this line down, and then let's bring this line down. We're going to make a little oval. We'll color in most of it, leaving a little bit white, and then same thing here. We're going to make a line that's going to go up and down for the eyebrow. Then right here, we're going to curve this line up. And then we're going to bring this all the way out to here and then down for one of the spikes. We'll make another one that's going to come down and up. And then one more, it's just going to come down and up a little bit. Now for his ears, let's just draw a triangle shape right here. And then a smaller triangle shape inside. Then we're going to make a little triangle shape out here. Now, I'm going to curve a line down here for the body. We're trying to make it look like he's just avoiding Shadow's punch. Now, I'm going to draw his hand right over here. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to curve around like this. Make a line that's going to come down and up like this. I'm going to bring this up and put a little line here. Then we're just going to curve a line around. Next, I'm going to make 1 and 2 little lines. And then same thing here, 1 and 2 little lines. I'm going to go up and then bring it to here. Then we're going to curve this around and bring it down. Then I'm just going to add a little line that's going to curve here. And then we're going to bring this line down. Then I'm going to bring this line all the way down to here. I'm going to put a little curve right there. Then we want to bring this line up. And we're going to bring this up to here. We're going to make a curve here and a curve here. And then a curve here, and then a curve here. For his shoe, let's just draw a line that's going to come down to a point, and then around here. Then we're going to make a line that's just going to curve around. And then we're just going to make 2 curves here. Next, we're going to make another shoe right here. So right here, I'm just going to draw kind of like a pointed oval shape for the bottom of the shoe. Then we'll make another oval shape right inside of here. I'm going to curve this around and down. Make a couple bumps here, and then a couple right there. Then we're just going to make some little lines going across here. Next, I'm going to bring this line back here, and we'll make a couple more spikes coming out here. We'll make his tail right here. We'll make a little bump here, and then we're just going to curve this line down here. Next, I'm going to bring this line over, and then another little line over. We'll bring it down and around here. Then right here, I'm going to curve a line that's going to curve around like this. Then we're going to go down and then up here. Then we're going to make 2 little bumps here and 2 here to kind of make it look like he's trying to punch Shadow. And there you go, there is your drawing of Shadow versus Sonic. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.